Hello everyone, welcome to this section, Working with Worksheets. In this section, we'll take a look at how we can add worksheets, delete worksheets, rename them, and also add color to the tab itself within Excel. We'll also look at how we can move and copy worksheets, view worksheets in multiple windows, and splitting them into panes, and how we use freeze panes to improve your efficiency when you're working with your Excel workbook. And at the end, we'll take a look at hiding and unhiding worksheets. Well, let's jump right into this section and start with adding worksheets.